yesterday I finished reading the book I was reading. So it was this one. In French, the title is La Balade de l'Impossible by Haruki Murakami. It's a Japanese author, so this book was pretty good. It was about the relationships between humans, feelings, coming out of age. So I really enjoyed that book. It's really easy to read. It's pretty poetic though. It was really interesting. The only thing I would say about this book is the end. I like it, but I also don't like it because I won't tell you the end, but it's basically, the end is basically like there's a relationship between two characters of the book, and I feel like it wasn't necessary for the end. I didn't understood why it was there, but also this is like the 4 last pages, and the last page is about the main character calling his lover. So I feel like this makes sense, but like the relationship between two characters doesn't make sense at all. I was pretty frustrated about that. But I have another book that I need to read for school during the holidays. It's The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood. So it's a very well-known book. I think you basically know it. This book inspired the Netflix series The Handmaid's Tale. So I will start reading it right now.
내가 좋아하던 그때 우리는 여전히 그 자리에 있더라. My love is a flower in your hands. 우리의 시간이야. I'll give you something unforgettable. 영원한 마음이야. My love is a flower in your hands. 우리의 시간이야.
네.